Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Welcome to watch this video till the end. I saw it on the internet and thought it wise to bring it up for us. Do watch it and write on the comment section what you think about the video. All opinions do count, and please, if you like what I do in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification for all updates. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Àwọn ọmọ Oòduà, we are born to great. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, Oòduà ló tọ́ ni. Torí pàdé orúkọ mọ̀mọ́, òun ló kó bá Yorùbá o. Ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, Oòduà ló tọ́ ni. Torí pàdé orúkọ mọ̀mọ́, òun ló kó bá Yorùbá o. Kí ni Yorùbá fẹ́? Òyìnbó àlẹ́ sọ. Kí ni Yorùbá fẹ́? Kí ni Yorùbá fẹ́? Oòduà nation. Kí ni Yorùbá fẹ́? Oòduà nation. Kí ni Yorùbá fẹ́? Oòduà nation. Àwọn ọmọ Oòduà, Oòduà nation. Oòduà nation, sóhun làwa ń fẹ́ o. Oòduà nation. 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 Ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Àwọn ọmọ Oòduà, we are born to great. Ìdìbò, we are born to great. Ìdìbò kwanu. Ìdìbò kwanu. Ìdìbò kwanu. Yorùbá Ìgbò, we are born to great. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Ìrọ̀lẹ́ ìdè, we are born to great. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, Oòduà ló tọ́ ni. Torí pàdé orúkọ mọ̀mọ́, òun ló kọ́ bá Yorùbá o. Ọmọ Yorùbá, we are born to great. Ìdìbò, we are born to great. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa, Oòduà ló tọ́ ni. Torí pàdé orúkọ mọ̀mọ́, ló kọ́ bá Yorùbá o. Ìdúgbò kwanu! Ìdúgbò kwanu! Yorùbá nation! 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 Ìdúgbò kwanu! Ìdúgbò kwanu! I want to use this opportunity to tell Nigerian government that Orji Uso Kanu is not terrorist. He's not a criminal. He's not a criminal. Orji Uso Kanu is not a criminal. Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Sunday Igboho. Nnamdi Kanu. I want to put up correction, sorry. I want to use this opportunity to tell Nigeria government that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist.
Yes.
He's not a criminal.
Yes.
He's a freedom fighter. He's fighting for his people.
Yes.
Sunday Igboho, Sunday Igboho, Adeyemo Osa. Every day Sunday Igboho Osa. Sunday Igboho Osa. He's not a criminal. He's fighting for his people.
Yes.
He's not fighting. He's fighting for his people. He's not a criminal. Go and arrest. What is it called? Gumi. Miyetti Allah is there. Go and arrest them.
They are
This one is there. Go and arrest them. Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Orji Uso.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Nnamdi Kanu is not a criminal.
Yes.
He's not a criminal. So I want Nigeria government to go and release all the people you arrest in Sunday Igboho's house. Please, we beg you in the name of God. Please release them because they are fighting for their people. Ìdúgbò kwanu! Ìdúgbò kwanu! Ìdúgbò kwanu! Yorùbá nation! Yorùbá nation! Yorùbá nation! Yorùbá nation! So I want to hand over to our president of Yoruba community here in Brazil.
Orji Uso Kanu is a thief.
Addis Akami is a criminal.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Biafra nation.
Now!
That voice, that response is too low for me. Biafra nation.
Now!
Yeah, God bless you.
FBOB! One family!
FBOB.
One family! One family!
We are all here this wonderful afternoon
Okay.
to express our insatisfaction about Nigeria government. We have been enduring for a very long time, but this generation we are no more tolerating it. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. He's neither a terrorist or
A bandit.
a bandit. He's neither a member of the Boko Haram or any other Fulani S-men. He's our man, he's a freedom fighter, and we are supporting him. We are using this opportunity to tell the world, United Nations, we are sending them to Nigeria government that any time from now there shouldn't be harassment of any freedom fighter in Nigeria again. Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Osa. He is a freedom fighter. And we have a coward government in Nigeria. Why should they go like a armed robber to someone's house 1 a.m. in the night? Oh, thank you, my brother. Nigeria government is a kidnapper.
They are terrorists.
He is a terrorist
government.
bandit. Boko Haram. If our forefathers have been tolerating it, this generation will not tolerate it. So we are here today to tell the world we are moving forward to fight for our rights. No retreat. No retreat. No retreat. One other thing I want to tell you people. To get the freedom is not an easy task.
We know.
Let us remove cowardness from us. Let our voice be one. Let us work in unity. In unity we can only achieve this goal. And nobody can scare us. No Nigerian government can scare us. No Nigerian army can scare us.